Operating outdoors after dark with your ham radio? Well, the Baton 4 Premium keeps your gear lit and stays charged in its case. Let's test it. If you're a portable outdoor ham radio enthusiast like myself, or just looking for a reliable everyday carry, the Baton 4 Premium is an awesome choice. Its compact design and user-friendly features ensure it's always ready to go for you. So whether you're preparing for that power outage, maybe you're working out in the field with your job, or you're just trying to enjoy some of your late night projects, it's definitely a game changer. So let's get into all the great features of the Olight Baton 4 Premium. First, the size. The Baton 4 is genuinely pocket-sized. It's the kind of light you'll actually carry instead of leaving in a drawer. The body is all aluminum, it feels solid, and the machining and grip are what you expect from Olight. Clean, sturdy, and really made for daily use. And because it's small, it's also a great leave-it-in-the-bag kind of light. The included two-way pocket clip, I think, is more than useful than it sounds. For radio work, I think that's huge, because if you're holding a coax run with one hand and tightening connect with the other, well, you don't want to hold a flashlight in your teeth. One of my next favorite features is that magnetic tailcap. This turns the Baton 4 into a little work light. Stick it to anything metal, on a rack, a file cabinet, body panel, tool chest, anything ferrous, and it stays put. The premium version of the Baton 4 includes a charging case that keeps it ready for use. It's making it super ideal for emergencies and ham radio go bags. Having the capability to recharge your flashlight multiple times gives that extended runtime and confidence that your flashlight will always be there. The Baton 4 controls are operated by a single side button, making it very quick and easy once you get used to the format. It offers various brightness levels, a very low for close-up tasks, a medium for walking around or checking in those dark places, a high output for immediate light, such as scanning the yards or finding items outside. And my favorite is the burst mode for when you need to light up a space pretty fast. One thing to note is that because this is a super small form factor flashlight, that highest brightness setting is designed for really shorter bursts. Like most compact high output flashlights, it's going to step down as it heats up to manage that temperature and protect those electronics. Again, that's normal behavior, but the mid-levels are going to where you're going to get the most consistent output for everyday tasks. And for me, they're the most comfortable ones to use anyway. Overall, do I think the Olight Baton 4 Premium is a game changer? Oh yeah. All of its features, small compact form factor, the fact that it's very consumer friendly and has two standout advantages for me. Great everyday carry, fits into a pocket, no problem. That charging case can't be beat. Having your flashlight always topped off and ready when you need it is a must in my everyday carry and when I'm out in the field doing ham radio activations or needing it for emergency preparedness. So if you want a small form factor light that's convenient, great for day-to-day, and genuinely useful for ham radio gear, again, emergency prep, and in the field, then this one makes a lot of sense. So go pick up yourself an Olight Baton 4 Premium and get it in your kit. As always, I'm Eric, N1JUR, and POTA on.